Hello friends, welcome to back to my channel Listen to Learn. First of all, a big thank you for subscribing and supporting this channel. Remember, this is not just a YouTube channel, it's a mission to sharpen your mindset, to shift your thinking towards abundance, and to put you firmly on the path to financial freedom. So, if you are truly serious about your financial future and ready to learn something that could change your life, then listen closely to this audiobook summary of financial freedom till the very end. Have you ever wondered if you will spend your entire life just by earning money and paying bills? Or would you rather work hard for a few focused years and achieve something far greater, financial freedom for life? Imagine this: no boss, no 9 to 5 jobs, and no financial worries. You can live where you want, do what you love, and spend time however you wish. Sounds like a dream, but this dream can become reality. Grant Sabatier, author of The Financial Freedom, is a living proof of that. In just 5 years, he completely transformed his life from having nothing to becoming a millionaire. And today, he never has to work for money again. In his book, Grant shares the exact strategies that helped him take control of his finances and his time. But this journey isn't easy. You will have to change the way you think. Stop living like everyone else and start thinking like a financial warrior. Well, this isn't just another book about saving money. It's a revolutionary roadmap that teaches you how to earn more, save faster, and invest smarter, all so you can reach financial independence sooner. So, ask yourself, are you ready to take the most important steps of your life? First, the value of time. Imagine that every day you are given 86,400 coins, but there is a catch. If you don't spend them by the end of the day, they disappear forever. What would you do? Would you waste your money or spend every coin wisely? Now replace money with time. Each day gives you 86,400 seconds, and if you don't use them well, they will go on forever. That's the biggest difference between time and money. You can always earn money again, but lost time never returns. Grant Sabatier says financial freedom is not just about making money, it's about taking control of your time. When he was 24, Grant had no job, no savings, no plan. But he understood one thing: the true value of time. He realized that if he could master his time, he could master his money. Within 5 years, he built massive wealth and never had to work a regular job again. Second, the truth most people miss. Most people believe that if they work hard, save money, and live frugally, they will become rich. But here is the truth: no one becomes rich just by saying saving. The real game is to earn more and invest wisely. The lesson is, if you use your time wisely, money will start working for you. The third, the power of urgency. Imagine you must earn 1 million in the next 24 hours, or you will lose something you love dearly. Wouldn't you do everything in your power to make it happen? That's the mindset you need every day. Every passing second is a part of your life that will never come back, so use it wisely. To truly control your life, you must first understand the connection between time and money. When you stop working for money and start making your money work for you, that's when you gain real freedom. From employee to owner mindset. Fourth point, Grant Sabatier says to get rich, you must change your mindset. Stop depending only on your job. Start building multiple sources of income like freelancing, investment, small business. Learn high income skills like digital marketing, coding, data analytics. These skills can open doors to financial independence. Invest wisely in stocks, index funds, or real estate. Surround yourself with a successful people because your network is your net worth. Remember, your saving have limits, but your income potential doesn't. Fifth, the 4% rule. Your path to financial independence. Here is a powerful idea, the 4% rule. It tells you exactly how much money you need to live financially free for life. If you can withdraw only 4% of your investment each year, your money will last forever. For example, if your yearly expenses are 60,000, you will need about 1500,000 invested. With that, you could withdraw 4% every year and never run out of money. This is how you calculate your financial number. Estimate your annual expenses and multiply that number by 25. That's the amount of wealth you need to retire or live freely on your own terms. Part 6, Building Financial Freedom Step by Step. First thing is automate your saving and investment. Make them happen before you spend. Second, complete create multiple income sources through investment, business, or side hustles. Third point, cut unnecessary expenses and invest the difference. Fourth point, review your financial plan regularly. Adjust as your goals evolve. Fifth point, keep learning and improving your skills because higher skill means higher income. Avoid bad debt. Use loans only to build asset, not liabilities. Financial freedom isn't magic, it's a method. With discipline, smart strategy, and a consistent effort, you too can gain control of your money and your time. 7 point, the final choice. Imagine two paths. 1. The traditional route. Work for decades, save a little, and retire at 60. The other, the freedom route. Earn more, invest smartly, and let your money work for you. Which path will you choose? Financial freedom is not just about money, it's about living life on your own terms. When you combine saving with earning, investing, and learning, you accelerate your journey to independence. So what will you choose? Working for someone else's dream or building your own? The choice is yours because financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a strategy. And the best time to start is today. You have been listening to Listen to Learn. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Tell us in the comments what's your plan to achieve financial freedom. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep listening to learn.